Hi today I'm going to show you another YouTube video about Zippo tricks. This one, as I've seen on YouTube, is called the drop shark, and I'll demonstrate it first and I'll show you what to do. So it's a one-hand technique trick. So basically, you have to get your thumb and your pointer finger and put it on the lid like that, and then you smack down like a wrist flip, and then you get that. You bring it in closer and get your ring finger and just press down on the wheel, and then your light should light. I haven't got any oil in mine, but it should light. And then after you finish, you snap it back up. So that's pretty straightforward, really. It's a straight hand. It's a one-hand technique. And yeah. So thanks for watching, and please comment.